So guys, how are you all doing today? I really hope you're all doing very well. So guys, in today's video, we've come here and I'm going to try to take a trade. First of all, I'll just go ahead and mark the level right here on the chart. I'll go ahead and mark this specific level right here. And the second level is located right over here. If we take a closer look at it from the back perspective, you can clearly see how this particular level makes a significant difference here. At this point, the market broke through to the downside, but then it retraced slightly and came back down again. So it is definitely finding some solid support here. Okay, so this is clearly a very good level to watch. And if the market eventually forms this red candle, we can confidently take a trade for a downward move on the very next candle. Otherwise, we simply won't take any trade here. If this candle turns green instead, then the buying pressure will likely continue here, and the market can move up to a certain higher level. Alright, so I will mark this level right here. So the market can certainly try to reach this specific price level, and if we carefully analyze the market right now, it looks like it will come to this level in the near future. Okay, so I think that I should carefully consider my next strategic move right here. Wait for the market to come up a little, then I will take a trade for a down move. Okay bro, so I have placed one trade for a downward move here. Although I wanted the market to come up a little more so I could place the trade, but suddenly the market dropped downwards and I placed the trade and our trade is now going down. No problem, let's see. Now, looking at the current situation, the market sentiment suggests that the market could potentially form a light candle right here because the various scenarios in the market at this specific point could have been for buying, right? The market could have gone even higher than it is now, but it simply didn't. It means there is still a lot of debate going on and the sellers are still very active in the market. If the sellers are active, they will try to take the market down to where the buyers are. The buyers are sitting right here, and since the buyers are waiting, the market naturally wants to go down, so it wants to move towards the buyers. So let's wait and see if it can create a solid red candle. Okay, so it is indeed creating a red candle. And since our specific trade was set for 1 minute, it has now become profitable. You can see very clearly here that a nice red candle has formed, and this trade has become quite profitable for us. If the scenario here had been that a green candle formed instead, then the market could have gone up as well, right? And all these different scenarios keep happening constantly in trading, so that's the main thing you really need to understand, okay? Alright, so now I am placing a downward trade here for 30 seconds. Guys, I am setting it to 1 minute again here. I placed a downward trade here for 30 seconds because the market clearly wants to touch this specific level, and that is the reason why I chose 30 seconds. That's why I placed the trade in a certain way. The market wants to touch that level, and the market can form a red candle here, and it can also move further down. I decided to buy a down option right here. Let's see how this plays out. So guys, as you can clearly see, it is definitely our winning trade, right? It is a solid red candle. Guys, the market can still go much further down from here. If we set the time frame to 30 seconds here, and if we happen to get an upward signal in this spot, then we could have placed another trade. No worries at all, because now the market has suddenly moved significantly to the downside. So we can also avoid this situation here, as there is no chance of that happening. So I'll set the timer to 1 minute here once again. Let's move to another chart. This chart isn't working well. It seems like the market is pushing to move in an upward direction right now. So let's wait and see how it develops over the next few minutes. Let's see how strong the buying pressure is in the market. If the overall buying pressure in the market is currently low, then we might be able to take one selling position right here. But if there is significant buying happening in the market, then we can definitely consider a buy trade instead. So let's see if the market comes down just a little bit. Okay guys, so I have now placed two separate trades here for the upward direction. Now the specific pattern I see here for the upward move is that there is a very good green candle formed in the market, and its high point is right here. Now regarding that upper wick, if you look closely, we have already marked the level clearly. Now the next candle after that is a red candle here. Earlier there was already a significant movement from a strong level, right? A significant movement has already happened from a strong level, which means that movement can happen again, because when sellers get exhausted, buyers enter, and when buyers get exhausted, sellers enter. Here, what happened is that the sellers got exhausted and a green candle formed. The buyers confirmed the trend, then another significant red candle formed in the market, and all the minor sellers here were also completely wiped out. Then there was a bullish movement in the market, so you could call it a strong bullish breakout or a buyer's movement. And that's why we placed upward trades here. The market once again touched that particular level, guys. All right, okay, so as you can see, it is a winning trade, guys. If this red candle forms, all right, if this candle closes as a red candle, that means the market is unlikely to push higher right now, because there is significant selling pressure at this level. Since the overall trend of the market is clearly downward, the general market sentiment is also remaining mostly downward. Otherwise, if this specific candle forms a solid green candle, then there is a very significant opportunity here that the next candle might go to touch this level. Alright, you can certainly trade upward there, because the next candle will likely try to maintain its upward momentum here. It's not entirely certain that it will go up. It could also potentially come down, but there are a lot of chances that it could go up here. Okay guys, so now we have come to the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair, and I think we should do a little more detailed analysis. I can mark a specific level right here, this one, and if I adjust it just a little bit more, then our target level is successfully formed right here. It is currently breaking out above the marked level, and the market can potentially continue to climb even higher. Otherwise, if it forms a red candle, then the market can go further down. Even if it shows buying here, we can still go for a downward move. Okay guys, so here I have decided for a downward move because I saw weak buying here, which was actually quite unexpected and very surprising. This is not a real green market. Here the market was trying to go down, but suddenly it closed on the upside. So that is not a real closing, and this is not a real green candle. Let me tell you, this indicates that the very next candle is likely going to be a red candle. So here I am predicting that this candle could be red. There is always a chance that a green candle could also form here, and there could be a loss as well. And guys, again, I would like to say that I am watching this very closely right now. I am not a financial advisor, okay? This video is not any kind of final sale advice, and if you want to trade, you should do it based on your own research and your own analysis. You should never take a trade just because someone else says so, because there is a lot of risk involved in trading. Now please remember that here you can lose your entire fund, okay guys? So always keep this point in mind. Whenever you trade, make sure to do it according to your own personal judgment. Alright guys, this is pretty much all for this video today. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you haven't joined our Telegram group yet, you can connect with us right now on Telegram. I've provided the direct link in the description below. You can join our Telegram community from there. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye for now.